check it. So today guys, my Shopee just came 2 hours ago because I couldn't open it because I was outside doing my own business. So yeah. So let's just get this over with. But before we start the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new here guys. So guys, this first one I got is this like pineapple stress ball. It doesn't really look, it's Orbeez. Orbeez. It doesn't really look like Orbeez, it looks like water, but it's actually Orbeez. If you can't really notice that. Oh my gosh, there. You can see that. It's just Orbeez. I was really excited for this one because guys, this is like my dream fidget. Like, I was like, this is so expensive for like the big ones are like 100 or 85 pesos. So I don't know. But I just bought it anyways. I thought it was big, but it was really cheap, so why not? Let's go to the next one. And guys, the one where I bought from, I'm gonna put it right in the front of my screen. There, so you know what shop did I use. And the next one, guys, I got this wacky trap. Oh my gosh. I just don't know how to collect this. How do you connect it? I really don't know. How do you connect this thing? Oh my gosh, I'm so wrong. I think I'm so wrong. Ugh, I don't know, but it's really cool. It's not really that noisy. Everyone said this is really noisy, but it's not that noisy. I don't really like this one. I rate this like a 10 out of 10. And I rate this a 5 out of 10. Girl, guys, I got this like snapper. It looks really good, but it's like you snap it. Nothing. Like legit nothing. And it's just pretty hard to squish. But you see the plastic? It's not really like sticking good, so that's why it doesn't really look that good. So I tried just pretty hard to make a sound of it. So I rate it like a 5 or 4. Yeah, out of 10. Next one I have is this pea popper. Why is it super? Oh, it's the face. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's so cute. Okay, it's so pretty hard to put it out. Oh, why is it the wrong side? Is it wrong side? Oh, this have no face right here. Oh, this one too, but only this one has. I rate this like a 3. These are pretty bad ratings so far, but these are the good ones so far. Oh my gosh, guys! I just found this like mochi in here. It's like it's a pig. Let's open it, guys. I open it. It's so cute. Oh my gosh! It's so cute and so soft. Here's a close-up. So cute. It's so cute. I rate it a 10 out of 10. It's just like removing my stress right now. Like, yeah. I did know I bought 2 of those. Oh my god, I got another one. I think this must be the random one. This must be. Let's open this. What? Guys, this has a weird texture. Look at this. But it's really cool. They're just the same texture. These are 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Guys, I only bought 3. I'm so dumb. Sorry. Wait. Did I buy? No. Oh my gosh. It's a duck. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Close up. Here's a new item. Oh my gosh, guys. It's just so cute and squishy. These guys are so cute. I'll give if I see other mochi, they're all 10 out of 10. That's all that I bought, but the rest are monkey noodles. Oh my gosh! I mean pop tubes. I got so many. These are lots. In total, they are 12. Here, I'll pop all of these. I mean, stretch. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Let's do one more thing. I want to do something. Really want to do something. Oh, guys, look at my brother's doing a fish. He's doing the slide. You can't really hear it, guys, but I can hear it. The one I was doing, guys, is this one. Okay, let's try this. Oh my gosh, that's weird. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, is this a seat? It's a seat. Gosh. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Did I order a Poppet? Wait, this is a freebie. Guys, I got a freebie Poppet. Oh my gosh. It is so good. They're both so noisy. This is a freebie. My gosh. 100 out of 10 for these. Look at that. And here is a peep popper if I didn't show it good. Here. Right there. Oh my gosh, so pretty hard. It's so cute. For the mochis, these are my mochis. This is like a color picture. Gosh, so squishy. Wait, I see these from all of my For You pages. Let's do this. Here we go. You want the truth? Guys, it didn't stick. I tried a lot of best that I could. But I have 2 red pop tubes and one pink pop tube and 2 of green pop tubes and only 1 orange one and 2 blue ones and 2 yellow ones and 2 purple ones. Yeah, let me just try this. Gosh. They're kind of different textures. Super weird. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like and share this video. And I'm going to be doing a part 2 of this one. So stay tuned for that video. So yeah, have a good day. Bye guys.